The New Haven Police Department is now the first in the state to have a licensed clinical social worker on staff. We're talking someone who's dedicated solely to officers. It's only been 7 months, but those officers say it's already making a difference. NBC Connecticut's Kyle Jones is joining us live outside New Haven Police headquarters. Kyle, tell us, how's the program working?
Hey, Keisha. So it starts with Corey Karmashek, and she joined the staff back in January, and she comes with experience from DCF and as well has family members that are in the military. So she said that she sees post-traumatic stress and trauma firsthand. And so now this program is going to be under her belt in partnership with other officers here at the police department. And she said that she had one question when she took the job.
And as a social worker, I always thought to myself, who is there to take care of our first responders?
For New Haven Police, the answer is now Corey Karmashek, who joins the staff to help officers with mental health and wellness.
They're the first line, they're the first responders, and if they're not taking care of themselves, they can't take care of other people in the community.
She says officers can routinely experience traumatic events that they may eventually see as normal.
And sometimes it shows up in many different ways, whether it's drinking, gambling, sometimes suicide.
She started routine check-ins with officers and organized wellness events and other events that support morale. It's something Captain Michael Fumiati said was needed to expand the existing peer support program.
Having people who have been there is very helpful, and so having peer support team members who have been through certain things, reach out to officers who are going through that thing at the time is incredibly helpful.
And so there are options on the team for someone who's struggling, whether they reach out to a fellow officer or to Corey.
But what's interesting is, like, the officers ask for it, the detectives ask for it. They're looking to meet with and get support because they recognize that, like, they are exposed to these traumatic things, and honestly, they're incredibly resilient.
And so he goes on to explain to us that he hopes that other departments, he says, copy and paste this program and have someone on staff, because their peer support team, they've gone out to other departments and helped with debriefing on traumatic events for other police officers. And so he says having something like this in those departments would be incredibly helpful. As for the growth of the New Haven program, they want to add another licensed clinical social worker in the future to help with police officers and their families. Right now, Corey is solely dedicated to the officers. In New Haven, I'm Kyle Jones, NBC Connecticut News. Guys, back to you.